I'm Jeff Douglas from ABB Australia. I'm a product manager looking after the motion services in the area of lifecycle services, digitalisation solutions and service contracts for asset management. One of the biggest things that customers face, biggest challenges, is when something goes wrong. A, who do you call? And B, once you've got someone on the phone, trying to explain to them down the phone line what's going wrong with your equipment. And it also makes it very difficult for supporting engineers to be able to work out what's happening on your site and give you the correct advice to get the plant running again. In the meantime, production has stopped and costs are rising for the customer. We had a desalination plant experience a failure of a drive, a water supply pumping system. This drive is a critical component of the system and it supplies drinking water to the local communities. Having this drive stop can potentially cause supply to the local communities to stop, and also have a financial impact on the customer as they have contracted supply volumes they have to pump into the system. ABB fortunately has an existing service partnership in place with this customer, giving 24/7 emergency support. Included in this contract is remote condition monitoring. This allowed our service technician to be able to dial into their system, into their portal, and have a look at the live data from the drive from when the fault actually happened. Then they could go through and work out what the fault type was and then guide the customer through to be able to sorting a resolution for it. In this case, it was a crook fibre optic cable. The fibre optic cable was replaced and the drive was brought back onto the line very quickly. Having service agreements in place with products like remote condition monitoring allows critical infrastructure to be monitored to detect faults before they happen or be able to get them back online again quickly when they do happen. Thanks to their positive experience, this customer has now upgraded their service agreement with us, which gives them access to new technologies like remote visual guidance. This is a tool that allows the customer and the service technician to physically see what's going on and what the customer is seeing and be able to support them visually into getting right back up and running again. Technologies like this are making significant impact in the water sector because it helps maintain plant uptime and ensures water is reliably distributed to communities. This is why water supply customers with critical infrastructure look to partner with service providers with the right tools and expertise to keep their plants running.